Before we begin the lesson on the polymerization of ethylene, have a go at this question. Actually pause it. And the answer will be revealed at the end of the video if I don't forget. Polyethylene is formed from the polymerization of ethylene. Now remembering ethylene is a 2-carbon molecule with a reactive double covalent bond in the center. Now we're just going to redraw it just to make it easier to manipulate. However, polymerization occurs when that double bond breaks, and it breaks at about 2000 atms and 200 degrees Celsius. Now when that double bond does break, adjacent molecules can now be linked together, forming very long chains of the polymer, and this is known as polyethylene. Now focusing on the black fonts, that repeating unit right there, that's called the monomer. Let's write that in. Obviously, by using different monomers, you create different polymers as given on the screen. And different repeating units determine its properties and characteristics. So how do we represent polymerization through the use of diagrams? Now obviously in ethylene we break that double bond and we end up with a single bond between the 2 carbons. But looking at a structural formula, the one on the bottom, what we need to do is extend those covalent bonds, and we draw a square bracket just outside the actual monomer. But it is important to have those covalent bonds extended outside those square brackets, as well as because it's a polymer, there's many repeating units and we don't actually know how many units we have. We used the letter N to just give us a indefinite amount of monomers used in your polymer.